Katulog ah?
Isang sakan to. Isang sakan.
Wala. We're now in Crystal Beach. Ano ba? La Paz, Barangay La Paz, San Narciso. Nice day. It's raining in Manila. That's why we are here. The neighbor. The sea is so calm. In Manila, it's raining. Oops, there's the Capones Island. You can see Capones Island in San Narciso. That one there. The Capones, I think the small one is the Camera. Is that right? Camera Island. And we have a new neighbor with a nice log cabin. Log cabin. Nice, huh? Oops, I forgot. This is Archie. Hey, Mr. Archie. They arrive 3 a.m. Drink up to 10 a.m. Sleep at 10 a.m. Now it's already 11. Hey Archie, happy birthday, man. And we are Abby, house singer. Hi Abby.
Hirap na hirap akong paputiin ka ng papaya soap eh.